So in this video, we will learn how to add new rows in MS Excel spreadsheet for new files on Google Drive. Now suppose guys you are keep on adding new files in your Google Drive, you and your team members, but you don't have any kind of record or any kind of log of the files you upload. So you want to add the details of the newly uploaded file into MS Excel. Now guys, let me tell you, you can completely automate this process. So the trigger of this automation will be new file, addition of new file in Google Drive. And the action will be addition of the details of the newly uploaded file in MS Excel. Now how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So first of all, we'll go to a browser and search for pabbly.com/connect. And after reaching to the landing page of Pabbly Connect, by clicking on sign up free, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. So I will sign into my own account. After signing in, you will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. Here we have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. And in a new tab, we can see that we have reached Pabbly Connect's dashboard. In this dashboard, just click on create workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Google Drive to MS Excel. And after that, just click on create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is trigger window, second one is action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on. Where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with the trigger window. So the idea here is first we have to get the details or the data of new files which we are uploading on our Google Drive. After getting those details in Pabbly Connect, we are going to send that same details to Microsoft Excel to add it to one of our spreadsheet over here. Now how we are going to do that? Now to do so, here in Pabbly Connect workflow, in trigger window, we have to search for Google Drive. So in choose app, search for Google Drive. Google Drive it is. After that, in trigger event from the drop down, we have to select new file. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect so that whenever we upload a new file in our Google Drive account, the details of that file can be captured inside Pabbly Connect workflow. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Google Drive, select your Google Drive account, and after that, just give this permission to Google Drive and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see that our Google Drive account is now connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after that, we can see a button named as Save and Send Test Request. As we click on Save and Send Test Request, the details of the most recent, most latest file which we have uploaded in our Google Drive, the details of that file will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Now let's do this. But before that, what we are going to do, we will go to our Google Drive and we are going to upload a test file, a dummy file. So as you can see right now in my drive, I don't have any file right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to upload a file. So just click on plus button, file upload, and let's select the file from my system, that is a new photo. Just click on open. And yes, we can see that just now we have uploaded a new file in our Google Drive account. So this is a picture which I have uploaded named as new photo. And now after uploading a test file, just go to Pabbly Connect and click on Save and Send Test Request. After clicking on Save and Send Test Request, we will see that we have received some response from Google Drive and Pabbly Connect workflow. And here in this response, we will find the details of the same file which we have just now uploaded in our Google Drive a few seconds ago. So the name of the file is new photo. So this is the name of the file. After that, we have the type of the file. So this is the type of the file. It is an image file in this format. After that, we will scroll down to these responses and we will find the link of this file as well. So this is the content link of this file, using which link you can basically download this file as well. And after that, we have the web view link. Just copy this link, paste it in a new tab, and we will find this is a same image file which we have uploaded just now. This is the same image. After that, we will scroll down and we will find some other details like created date and time, that at what date and time this file was uploaded on our Google Drive account. Then we will scroll down and we will find some other details regarding the same file. So guys, basically the step 1 of setting up this automation is also completed. We have successfully connected our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect and received the details of the most recent, most latest file uploading on our Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. Now what we have to do, we have to basically add these new files details into our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Now to do so using automation using Pabbly Connect, we will scroll down and come to our action window. And here in choose app, we will search for Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel it is. And after that, in action event from the drop down, select add row to worksheet. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, we have to connect our Microsoft Excel account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on connect with Microsoft Excel. And here in a new tab, it will ask us for the authorization permission. So guys, in my browser, I have already logged into my Microsoft Excel account. That's why Pabbly Connect has detected the same account and right now it is asking us for the authorization permission. Just click on yes and we will see that after that, our Microsoft Excel account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the workbook. That in which workbook in our Microsoft Excel account we want to add these details of our new Google Drive file. And in the drop down below, we can see a list of all the workbooks which we have created in our Microsoft Excel account can be seen over here. So I have created a workbook by the name of new Google Drive files. And I want that whenever I upload a new file in my drive or new file is uploaded in my Google Drive, the details of that file like file name, file type, created date and time and link of that file should be added in this spreadsheet. So we will select this workbook, new Google Drive file from the drop down. Let's search for it, new Google Drive file. After selecting our workbook and after that it asks us for the spreadsheet, worksheet basically. So here in this workbook you can see I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. So here in Pabbly Connect from the drop down, we just have one sheet. So we'll select sheet 1. And after selecting our worksheet, all the columns of data which we have created in our worksheet can be seen inside Pabbly Connect. So in this worksheet, I have created 4 columns of data that is file name, file type, created date and time and link. And all of these 4 columns can be seen over here. So basically what data we want to add in these columns in our spreadsheet row, we have to basically add or map that same data over here in this given fields. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. So the first column is of the file name and we have received the name of the newly uploaded file in Pabbly Connect from Google Drive. So this is the name of the file. So we have to basically map this same name over here in this field of column A. And the process of mapping, as I told you, is very simple. Simply click on this field and in the drop down below, we will see a list of all the responses which we have received from Google Drive of uploading a new file can be seen over here. And out of all of these responses, select the response of the file name and it will be mapped over here. It is that easy. Now after that, it is asking us the type of the file. So we have received the type of the file as well. This is the file type and we will map the same response over here. And the process of mapping stays the same. Just click on this field and from the drop down below, select the response of file type and map it. Then it is asking us created date and time. We have also received this response. This is created date and time. Just select it and map it. And the column D is of the link. So here we have received several links of the file, basically the icon link, thumbnail link, web view link and content link. So if you want this link to be the downloadable, if you want that whenever you click this link of this file, you want to download the file, then you can use this web content link. But I want this file to be open in a new tab. So I will use this web view link. And after mapping all of these data, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, we can see that we have received some response over here. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, basically the details of the new file which we have uploaded in our Google Drive just now, the details of this file are now added in our Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So let's check. We'll go to our spreadsheet and just refresh this sheet once. And yes guys, we can see that the details of the same file which we have uploaded just now are now automatically added as a new row in our Microsoft spreadsheet, Microsoft Excel sheet. So this is the same file name newphoto.webp. Then we have the same file type, it's an image file, so we have the same file type. We have the date and time, that at what date and time this file was uploaded in our Google Drive account, that too in UTC tab format. And after that, we have the link of the file. When we will click on this link of the file, let's just copy this link, paste it in a new tab, and we will find that this is the same link of the same image. So that's it, guys. We have successfully created this automation, and using this automation, whenever a new file will be uploaded in our Google Drive, details of that file will be added as new row in our Microsoft Excel sheet. In this way, you can basically have a backup or the record or a log of all the files which are uploaded on your Google Drive with all the details of the file as well. So here in this Google Drive trigger window, you can see it is written every 10 minutes. When you will hover on it, it will say this trigger will check for new data every 10 minutes. Means every 10 minutes, Pabbly Connect will go and check that whether a new file is uploaded on our Google Drive or not. And if in duration of that 10 minutes, a new file will be uploaded or multiple files will be uploaded, the details of that new files will be captured by Pabbly Connect in our workflow, and after that, it will execute this workflow. So guys, we can see that our automation is working perfectly fine. Now let's just understand in brief that what are the steps we followed to set up this automation. So first, we have created a workflow in Pabbly Connect. And in this workflow, we have selected Google Drive as a trigger application and new file was our trigger event. After that, we have connected our Google Drive account with Pabbly Connect, and then we uploaded a test file, a dummy file in our Google Drive account, so that we can get the details of that newly uploaded file in Pabbly Connect. And using Pabbly Connect, we have sent that data of new file to Microsoft Excel so that we can add these details and set up this automation. So not just these applications, guys, you can basically connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing. You will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free.
If you need any kind of help or have any queries, you can ask them on forum.pabbly.com, and you can check Pabbly Connect's pricing at this link. So if this video was helpful to you, you can like this video, don't forget to share it with others, and to keep getting such content on automation and integration, you can subscribe to Pabbly. Thank you, have a nice day.